In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print poster size in PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you've ever found yourself needing to enlarge a PDF document into a poster, you've come to the right place. We'll walk through the steps so you can seamlessly scale up your document, creating a poster-sized printout with ease. To begin, make sure you have your PDF file readily available and open it in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Once your document is open, navigate to the top menu and click on File. This is where we'll access the print settings. Go ahead and select Print. Here, the Print dialog box will appear and we'll dive into the setup. In the print settings, focus your attention on the section labeled Page Sizing and Handling. Depending on your version, the wording might slightly vary, but it'll generally convey a similar idea. You'll want to choose Poster. What Poster does is divide your PDF into multiple pages so that they can be printed, assembled, and ultimately look like one large poster when put together. Now, let's talk about scaling. Under the Poster option, you'll find a setting called Tile Scale. Adjusting the tile scale allows you to increase the size of your original document. For instance, setting it to 200% will double the size, while 300% will triple it. This lets you tailor the size of your output precisely to your needs. Take your time to adjust this according to how large you want your final poster to be. If you're planning to trim and tape the sheets together, another crucial feature is overlap. Setting overlap ensures that each printed sheet will slightly edge into the next one. This is particularly useful and often necessary for achieving a clean finish when assembling your poster. You can customize how much overlap you want based on your preferences, typically anywhere from 0.5 inches to more. For those who want an even more precise assembly, consider checking the options for cut marks or labels. These are beneficial tools if you are meticulous about aligning and trimming your pages accurately, as they provide guidelines on each page to assist you in lining up the tiles perfectly. Before hitting print, take a close look at the preview. This preview gives you a visual representation of how your tiles will look and how many pages you'll print. It helps ensure everything will come out as expected and fits your intended target size. Once you're satisfied with your settings and preview, the final steps are straightforward. Choose your preferred printer and specify the paper size you're using. Finally, when everything is ready to go, click Print, and your poster will begin to take shape as the pages come together. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll have transformed your PDF into a stunning, poster-sized masterpiece ready for display. Happy printing!